For our first machine, we have the ultimate long-reach excavator front, redefining reach and efficiency in excavations. Watch this excavator climb steep dirt hills, an impressive feat of strength and skill. This powerhouse machine drills through everything, from mountains to mines with unstoppable precision. Witness the incredible machine that effortlessly transforms logs into neatly cut firewood in 4 convenient pieces. Experience the convenience of this portable earth hole digging machine, perfect for small excavation tasks. From soil to ice, this versatile machine handles earth hole digging tasks with ease, even in icy conditions. This automatic drive-through stricker redefines tank maintenance, delivering rapid and thorough wash solutions for colossal military tanks. This giant tree trimmer dominates landscapes with both danger and speed. This excavator is fearless and knows no limits. Look at this long-arm excavator, reducing houses to memories with its mighty swing. Watch as the skilled driver unloads dirt to transform a deep pond with expert finesse. Effortlessly tackle small tree removal with this efficient machine. And that is what happens to marble block before it is extracted from a mine. I'm certain you've witnessed human stretching, but now observe an excavator in a stretch like no other. Watch as the machine dismantles an entire tree, branch by branch, with mesmerizing precision. Witness the bulldozer's relentless power as it carves a path, clearing land by toppling trees and moving earth with ease. Experience the formidable strength of the Rammer 328080 hydraulic rock breaker as it crushes through rocks with remarkable precision. This machine isn't a hydraulic rock breaker, but it surely does the job. Witness the excavator in action as it expertly digs drainage channels. See this lucky excavator defying gravity and not falling over. However, not everyone's as fortunate. Despite the driver's efforts, this excavator eventually toppled over. This machine takes command, extinguishing the coal mine's fiery dump with relentless power using a water spray cannon. This mini excavator wields big digging power, effortlessly crafting small trenches with accuracy. Ever wondered about the process of changing excavator tires? This is how it's done. Behold the massive power of this excavator, paired with an equally impressive oversized clamp. Introducing an unparalleled monster of an excavator, truly one of a kind in its class. Witness the immense power of the Bagger 293, the biggest machine in the industry's earth-moving domain. I'm amazed by how effortlessly this enormous earth mover can dig through the land. This is how excavators efficiently clear away landslides to ensure a smooth path for your holiday journey ahead. China's groundbreaking kiloton bridge girder erection machine debuts, shaping the impressive Maizhou Bay Cross-Sea Bridge. However, building bridges is not always easy. You must be careful at all times, or situations like this can occur. Twice daily, the impressive zipper machine slides 8.5 miles of barrier, crafting an extra lane for Dallas commuters, enhancing your 5-day workweek journeys. Check out the compact Brock 19, a versatile demolition machine perfect for various tasks, even in the cement industry. In this clip, a massive excavator tumbles down the mountainside, leaving an unsettling trail of destruction. In a heart-stopping moment, an excavator's cable snaps, sending a circular object crashing down, destroying the machine in its path. Witness the incredible strength of an excavator effortlessly lifting a massive container with stability. Watch as the road herder smoothly excavates the tunnel's end, using rotation to transfer the excavated material to the conveyor belt, while water is sprayed to control dust and heat. Metal meets its end in the jaws of the Gersinknorba bin lorry. I'm sure seeing metal getting crushed was satisfying. Next up, we have cars being crushed. Revolutionizing digging with incredible speed, the trencher machine tackles diverse tasks with ease. This massive machine redefines tree transportation with its impressive capacity and efficiency. Witness the incredible power as a tank effortlessly transforms a car into scrap metal. Check out this incredible machine made to remove sand and gravel from wet mining areas. Here we have the advanced self-propelled crawler with automatic boom leveling, capable of lifting 230 kilos to a height of 12.2 meters. Next up, we have this efficient machine, creating sturdy fences with precision and speed. I'm sure you were astonished by a machine moving a massive tree. But now let me show you how this machine relocates an entire house. Watch in awe as this excavator gracefully maneuvers and works its magic underwater. In a shocking turn, a snapped cable sends a vehicle plunging into the sea. Look at this big digger loading the tractor so much, it stands on 2 wheels from the weight. And our last machine. It's the massive Liebherr R9800 excavator, a true behemoth of power and capability.